Cockpit demonstrates. This manufacturing NeuroGov Plus cockpit demonstrates how a production environment can be governed using the IGA 2026 architecture. Operational intelligence such as machine performance, output trends, and quality metrics are visualized through graphs, while text-based governance explanations can be narrated using the integrated TTS Plus Stop module. The video upload allows factories to attach production footage or maintenance evidence, while the image upload panel with text plus TTS enables inspection documentation or audit proof to be recorded. Together, these features convert raw manufacturing data into a governed decision environment where intelligence is analyzed, validated by governance rules, and preserved for audit assurance. This graph shows monthly production output trend across the manufacturing unit. Machine efficiency across production lines indicating operational performance levels. Quality inspection ratio showing accepted versus rejected production units. Maintenance events across machines indicating reliability and servicing requirements. Energy consumption trend across manufacturing operations. Workforce productivity across operational shifts within the manufacturing unit. Domain-wise NeuroGov Plus, Advanced AI, Memory Training Governed Decision Intelligence Library. AI memory training is continuous not because the model keeps changing, but because decision discipline keeps improving. In the NeuroGov Plus, Advanced AI, context, this has a precise meaning: the system does not repeatedly relearn patterns, it repeatedly refines responsibility. Across NeuroGov Plus work, the memory being trained is not model weights but governed decision behavior. Author Dr. Pradeep K. Suri has exercised advanced AI memory across multiple operational domains: education, ISO 21001, healthcare/HMIS including the blood bank module, finance and CFO governance, AP/AR/payroll/trial balance, HR recruitment to joining, manufacturing and production capacity planning, logistics and supply chain, semiconductor/fab production governance, smart city governance processes, project and PMP management, and mentorship/research governance workflows. Each cockpit continuously executes training test unseen validation loops, meaning every domain becomes a separate operational memory set. In practical terms, this does not train one AI, it trains multiple institutional brains, each learning how safe decisions behave under its own rules. Because the architecture is invariant, IGA 2026 inform rightward arrow govern rightward arrow assure, every new domain adds a governed memory layer rather than replacing the previous one. Domain-wise accumulation therefore forms a multi-sector governed intelligence library, patterns remain domain-specific, while decision discipline becomes universal. The system no longer depends on the experience of a single operator, the cockpit itself carries learned responsibility across sectors, creating a reusable and continuously expanding advanced AI memory bank of validated decision behavior. Dr. Pradeep K. Suri. This image represents the NeuroGov Plus, Advanced AI, multi-domain governance architecture built around the 3D, 10D AI DNN Engine, Cognitive Cube, and Analyser 1.0. The glowing cube at the center symbolizes the layered intelligence engine where enterprise data from multiple domains, manufacturing, healthcare, finance, education, logistics, and governance flows into a structured AI processing environment. Each layer of the cube, 3D to 10D, represents increasing levels of intelligence maturity, moving from raw operational data toward predictive, ethical, and sustainability-driven decision intelligence. On the left side of the visual, the neural network structures illustrate the AI learning and analytical capability of the cognitive cube. These networks represent how NeuroGov Plus integrates machine learning, enterprise data sets, and operational signals to generate intelligence in the informed stage of the IGA 2026 framework. At the bottom of the architecture, digital dashboards and control panels symbolize domain-specific governance cockpits, where managers, auditors, and decision authorities monitor performance metrics, operational trends, and predictive insights across industries. At the lower section of the image, Analyser 1.0 appears as the governance control element. While the cognitive cube generates intelligence, Analyser 1.0 evaluates it using structured decision rules such as KPI rightward arrow TSI rightward arrow OSI governance logic. This layer ensures that AI predictions do not automatically trigger actions, instead, they are validated against policy thresholds, risk parameters, and compliance requirements. This transforms AI from a simple prediction tool into a controlled institutional decision system. From a multi-domain perspective, NeuroGov Plus acts as a universal governance engine that can connect with enterprise data lakes from different industries. For example, in manufacturing it evaluates production efficiency and predictive maintenance, in healthcare it monitors patient outcomes and resource utilization, in finance it governs risk and compliance analytics, and in education it evaluates institutional performance under regulatory frameworks. Because the cognitive cube processes intelligence generically while governance rules remain domain-specific, the same architecture can scale across sectors. Overall, the visual communicates a powerful concept: AI generates intelligence, but NeuroGov Plus governs decisions. By combining the 3D, 10D cognitive cube, Analyser 1.0, and the IGA 2026 Inform rightward arrow govern rightward arrow assure architecture, the system converts large multi-domain datasets into transparent, accountable, and auditable decisions. The image therefore represents the transition from traditional AI prediction systems to a new generation of governed AI ecosystems designed for enterprise and institutional decision authority.